Today, we're going to talk about two kanji that may seem similar, but are actually quite different. Right and left. Hello everyone, and welcome to Kanji World. Have you ever made a mistake when writing these two characters? Don't worry, you're not alone. But it's important to understand the key difference between them. And that difference lies in the stroke order. It's not something that's immediately obvious, but it's very important. For right, you write the left vertical stroke first, and then the horizontal stroke. For left, you write the horizontal stroke first, and then the left vertical stroke. But why is there a difference in stroke order? The character right is actually a pictograph of the right hand, and a vessel used for receiving blessings called sai. The left vertical stroke, in the regular script, represents the fingers of the right hand, and the horizontal stroke represents the arm. So, it makes sense to start with the left vertical stroke. In the past, people used to start the left vertical stroke with a hook at the beginning. This may have been because of the shape of the fingers. Also, the fingers are shorter than the arm, so the left vertical stroke in right is shorter and the horizontal stroke is longer. On the other hand, the character for left is a pictograph of the left hand in the tool, ko. The horizontal stroke represents the fingers of the left hand and the left vertical stroke represents the arm. So, it makes sense to start with the horizontal stroke. In the past, people used to start the left horizontal stroke with a hook. This may have been because of the shape of the fingers. Also, the fingers are shorter than the arm, so the left horizontal stroke in left is shorter and the vertical stroke is longer. There you have it. The next time you write right or left in kanji, remember the correct stroke order and the reasons behind it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.